Hoses. Check for hoses in the large rear storage compartment as well as in the side compartments. If no hoses are present, purchase replacement hoses and submit the receipt for reimbursement up to $75. If the freshwater hose is leaking, use a pressure regulator or replace the hoses and submit the receipt for reimbursement up to $75. Pressure regulators are often available at campgrounds. Connections for hoses are usually located on the driver's side exterior and labeled as potable water, city water, and Santi Flush. Potable water is used to fill the fresh water tank. City water is to connect campground hookups. Santi Flush is only used to rinse out the black water tank. Be sure to open the black water drain valves before connecting.